stop scrolling for a second because this video could change the way you build your brand forever. I'm about to show you how to create pictures, videos, and even full ads with AI, and you don't need a camera, a studio, or even your own voice. Right now, creators are cashing in big by building faceless brands, selling AI-powered ads to businesses, and even landing brand deals with AI avatars. First, go to ChatGPT. In the search bar, type exactly what kind of brand or AI avatar you want to create. I'll put mine in the description below. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will give you ready-to-use prompts and even script ideas. Highlight the prompt you like, right-click, and copy it. We'll use it in the next step. Now, go to PicLumen. Click Create New and paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the text box. Choose your aspect ratio to 16:9 if you want YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, or 1:1 for Instagram. Then click Generate. In seconds, PicLumen will create hyper-realistic photos that look like professional shoots. If you want different results, just click Generate again or tweak your prompt. Once you find the perfect photo, click Download. Next, head over to Hailuo AI. Click Create New Project. Upload the picture you just downloaded from PicLumen. Put in your prompt. Hailuo will animate it instantly. You can make the person blink, smile, or even move slightly, giving it that real video feel. Once the video is generated, click on Download with or without the watermark. Finally, go to DreamFace. Click Upload Video and select the video you just exported from Hailuo AI. Next, upload your audio. This could be your real voice or an AI-generated one. DreamFace will automatically sync the lips to the voice, so it looks like your avatar is really talking. Once the sync is done, click Download Video. And just like that, you've got a fully AI-generated talking avatar for your brand. And that's how you build a brand with AI. From an idea to a picture to a full video with sound. You can use this to create content for your own brand, land brand deals, or even sell AI advertising services to businesses. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to sell AI content as a service.